easy problem if you're just trying to find what, class?
Velocity.
Velocity, because all you got to do is multiply wavelength times what? Frequency. That's all you got to do. And what's lambda is the symbol, right? So wavelength times frequency. Same thing here. Let's look at these steps real quick. When you manipulate this, watch what happens. I'm going to do a problem for you real quick, and I'm going to manipulate this formula. Watch me. So basically what I'm asking you to do is, what's the formula again? Give it to me, class.
Velocity.
Velocity equals what?
Lambda.
Lambda times what?
Frequency.
Times frequency, right? Times frequency. So watch what I do. And this problem here, they say if frequency is in a position where change from 20 hertz to that, no, I don't want to do that. I want to do the one in the book. Look at your book on page 318. Look in your book at page 318 real quick. 318. I'm going to do that. Everybody raise your hand if you see that problem-solving sound waves. You see that? Good. Let's do that one. Let's do that problem in class. They asked me to find this. Identify what they asked me to find. What did they ask me to find in that problem? Read through it real quick. What they asked me to find. Look up here where they say sample problem. What did they ask me to find?
The lambda.
Yep, they asked me to find the wavelength. He's exactly right. So what is this? What does this manipulate the formula mean? What do I do? Identify the components, right? So we did that, and they want me to find the lambda like you said, right? So if they want me to find that, what do I do? What's the second step? Circle it. There you go. Just circle it. That's all you have to do. Just circle it. All right? Then you have to identify the relationship and do the reciprocal. Watch me on this. If they want me to find this, it's being multiplied. So I have to do the reciprocal in order to get it by itself. What's the reciprocal of multiplication?
The opposite.
The opposite. That's exactly what it means. Division. Excellent. Watch me. What I do to one side, in order to keep my family happy, one kid get cookie, all get cookies. I got to do to the other side. All right? I know this looks silly, but it makes sense because you'll know whatever you do over here, you have to do over here. Now this is multiplied, so y'all said to do the reciprocal, which is divide, right? Divided by what? What do I have to put over here, you think? What do I have to put over here? Frequency. Excellent. Why? You got to do the opposite, and whatever you do over here, you got to make sure this is a smiley face. Can I do this right here? No, because you don't see that, do you? No, you can't do that. What do you have to do here? Frequency. And guess what? What do I do here? Cross it out. So what's my new formula? V equals what?
Lambda.
Nope. Frequency. And that is what? That's your new formula. That's your new formula. How many of you are okay with this and saw what I did here? Raise your hand. Excellent. Why do I have a new formula and why did I have to manipulate it? Anybody? Why did I have to manipulate this formula? Yep.
So you can get lambda by itself?
So I can get lambda by itself. And why would I want to get lambda by itself? Excellent.
It would be easier to solve the equation.
It's going to be, that's what the equation calls for, right? Good. See if you can go through this problem, write this warm-up problem down and see if you can do it, and we'll get back to you in 2 minutes. All right, let's finish up right here. You ready? Cool. So what we did was we changed our formula around, we brought it over here, and all we did was the plug and chug part, which is a substitute thing. So you got 343 meters per second. That's our what? What's the V stand for?
Velocity.
Velocity is speed with, what's the D word? Speed with?
Oh.
You're going in what? What's the D word?
Direction.
Excellent. Excellent. Direction, right? Speed with direction. That's divided by the frequency. And what's our symbol for frequency? What's our symbol for frequency? F, right? All right, and that S to the 1, -1, that means what? Starts with H. Starts with an H.
Hertz, right?
There you go, hertz. Exactly, that's the hertz. So we divide that into that, and we get 1.31. What's that M for? What's the M stand for?
Hold up.
Who said meters? Excellent. And why do we care that it's in meters? Because what we're looking for is what? Say the wave what? Length. Excellent. We're looking for wavelength. That's a wrap. Good job.